Welcome back to the lab. Make a fist. Now squeeze it. Relax. Squeeze again. Now imagine doing that once every second without stopping for 80 years. Your hand would fall off in minutes. But there is a muscle inside your chest doing exactly that. Your heart. It beats 100,000 times a day. It pumps enough blood in a lifetime to fill 3 supertankers. If this were a car engine, it would drive to the moon and back without a single oil change. Today, we are going to look at the heart not as a mystical organ, but as a masterpiece of mechanical engineering. First, the heart is not just one pump. It is actually 2 pumps glued together. Side by side, they have 2 very different jobs. The right pump is the low-pressure side. It takes the used, blue blood from your body and pushes it to the lungs. This is the refill station where blood grabs fresh oxygen. The left pump is the muscle of the operation. It is thick and strong. It takes the fresh red blood from the lungs and shoots it out to the rest of the body at high pressure. It pushes blood all the way down to your toes. Any plumber knows a big problem with pumps: backflow. You don't want the water flowing backward when the pump stops squeezing. The heart solves this with check valves. These are one-way doors made of tissue. When the heart squeezes, they blast open. When it relaxes, they snap shut to stop the blood from leaking back. Have you ever heard a heart beat? That looped-up sound, that is not the muscle moving. That is the sound of these valve doors slamming shut under pressure. Slam, slam, slam. But what tells the pump when to squeeze? The heart has its own built-in electrical grid. It has a natural pacemaker called the sinus node. It generates an electrical spark. This spark travels down the walls of the heart like a wave. It tells the top chambers to squeeze first, then the bottom chambers. This perfect timing is critical. If the timing is off, the pump creates bubbles and fails. It is a precise, electrically triggered hydraulic machine. The most amazing part is durability. Man-made pumps have bearings and seals that wear out. They need grease. They break. The heart repairs itself while it is running. It replaces its own cells without ever stopping the line. It is the ultimate machine. So you are walking around with a high-performance, self-repairing, dual-chamber electric pump in your chest. Take care of it. See you in the next video. You can support us by liking and subscribing, and stay updated with our future videos.